Hello everyone. So recently I was working on STM32 based project where I had to visualize the IMU data. But the problem was that to visualize the IMU data, I needed a USB cable, either for STM32 or even for USB to detail converter. The USB cable had to be connected to the laptop. So I just thought to come up with some idea so that we can get rid of this physical connection. So after doing some research, I came up with the idea that we can use this ESP32 as TCP/IP UART bridge. For that, I had developed a simple program that forwards the packet received on UART to the TCP/IP, and we can connect that using the putty. So in the next section, I will show you how to use the program. So in this section, I will show you how to use that TCP/IP to UART bridge. Open behind IoT gateway.in. Go to store, search for ESP32 pin, enter, click on this board, go to resources, download this ESP32 Wi-Fi UART bridge, save it. Once saved, open and extract it. Accept all. Open this. Then right click and open with Arduino IDE. Update your Wi-Fi credentials. Then connect your STM32 TX pin to the pin 16 of ESP32 and STM32 RX pin to the TX pin of this, that is pin 17 of the ESP32. Click on upload. Take some time to upload the code. Upload is done. Now we can see that Wi-Fi is connected and server has started. So let's open the putty. Change this to raw. Change the port to 5000. Update the IP. Enter. So we can see that now we have started receiving the data. So actually it is the IMU data. If I will change the position, then you can see that these values are getting changed. This is the IMU board, and this USB cable is only giving the power to this, and its ground, TX and RX are connected to this ESP32. So if I am just moving it, then you can see the data is getting changed here. That's it. Thank you.